Hello, my name is Bharat Krishna and
My name is Pooja Sharma.
My name is Shashank Ahuli.
My name is Shwetarani Patil.
My name is Vijay Chetri.
I am Shyam Gagrapal.
My name is Ishwar.
I have been placed in Mahindra Finance as a management trainee with the package of 10 LPA.
My interview experience with Mahindra Finance was both challenging and enriching. The process began with a well-structured group discussion where I had the opportunity to showcase not only my knowledge but also my ability to collaborate and communicate effectively with a diverse group of candidates.
GIBS has been a game changer for me. The rigorous academic curriculum coupled with real-world industrial exposure and flagship programs of GIBS, that is IRE and CPMP, truly prepared me for this opportunity.
It wasn't about just showcasing qualifications, it was about demonstrating how I could contribute to the company's vision. I attribute a significant part of my success to the mock interview and the guidance I received during the preparation phase at GIBS Business School from CPMP training.
College wasn't just a place of learning, it was a crucible of growth. Through rigorous coursework, engaging extracurriculars and the mentorship of the inspiring faculty, I cultivated not only knowledge but also the resilience and adaptability essential for the professional world.
Despite not having a commerce background, my passion for numbers has driven me to be focused on becoming a finance professional through a lot of self-preparation, peer learnings and guidance for technical knowledge and interviews. I was able to perform well on my final day of interview.
I am immensely grateful to GIBS for giving me all the training and support that helped me in shaping my skills and preparing me for this remarkable opportunity.
each Saturday we were trained for this on how to clear the aptitude, the GDs and as well as the interviews.
Looking back, it wasn't just about acing tests, it was about embracing a holistic approach. Finally, I heartfully thank the placement team who nurtured me from level 0 by giving us rigorous classroom trainings, several mock sessions on group discussions and personal interviews which helped me in achieving the milestone.
I would like to thank my placement team and CPMP.
Lastly, I am thankful to whole GIBS placement team, management and all the faculties and everyone else